Today's video is brought to you by cruiseline.com and Shipmate app. Did you know you can research and book your excursions right in the Shipmate app? Click on Explore, choose your port, and browse excursions by destination. It's super simple to read reviews from real cruisers and book your activities right in the app. You look handsome.
Thanks.
Okay, you ready for this? You ready to go? Okay. Hey cruisers, welcome back to our 3-part packing series on our Caribbean cruise adventure where we're going carry-on only for a 7-night cruise on
MSC Seaside.
MSC Seaside. Yes, it's true. We are going on MSC Seaside for a summer Caribbean adventure to, where are we going? Cozumel, the Bahamas, Grand Cayman, and Jamaica, right?
Basically the Caribbean.
Basically the Caribbean. So today we're going to be showing you what my 9-year-old son is taking in his carry-on bag and his personal item and his carry-on bag. So the correction there, sorry about that folks. He's already getting, as you can see, he's getting this bag ready. He is excited to show you what he likes to take in his personal item. He likes flying, he likes cruising, he's a really good traveler. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the first item. Why don't you hand it to me so our viewers can see it, okay?
Okay, so I believe what is in that bag is my passport and a lot of stuff. You can show it.
Okay, your passport's actually in Mommy's bag, but that was a good guess. Where did this pretty bag come from? Do you remember?
Joanne. Bag It by Joanne.
Bag It by Joanne. So one of our subscribers hand makes these cute little bags. So what my son has in here is he has a, what is this?
A lanyard.
A lanyard. This is to put his cruise card around his neck. I think we're gonna get wristbands on MSC, but we shall see.
Cool.
Okay, and then what is this?
A charging port for my iPhone, which is right here.
Good.
I believe, what's it again, Mom?
Your iPhone? It's just an older iPhone.
Yeah, I think it's like a 5S.
He just uses it to play little games. And then what's this?
That is a charging port for, I believe,
Great. Okay, so let's cover what devices you're taking. Now that you're talking about that, let's tell our subscribers what devices you're taking and why. Why don't you start with the first one?
Okay, so the first one is my phone. I'm taking this just for fun on the plane and on the ship when I'm kind of bored, maybe in lines.
Okay, standing in lines or sitting at dinner, okay.
The second one is my Kindle. Actually, this is for sitting at dinner.
Okay, it's Kindle.
I use it to read books, as you can see here.
Very nice. Can you tell us what you're reading right now?
So right now I am reading The Bronze Key, the third book in the Magisterium.
Ooh, that sounds really interesting. So your Kindle, you like to take this to dinner and also at night right before bed, right? And then this is an iPad. What do you use your iPad for?
So most of the time I use it at night. Also, I sometimes start it up and play a little bit of Minecraft with Dad.
A little bit of Minecraft. So if you have time, you like to play a little Minecraft? Cool.
Yeah, with Dad.
Okay, awesome. So one other thing that Junior Editor has in his carry-on bag is a sweatshirt in case he gets cold on the plane. So we always keep it in here. It's cold on planes, huh? And then in the front, there's something special that he wants to show you. And who is this?
Froggy!
And why is Froggy special? Tell me about Froggy real quick.
He really likes to go to dinner with us. He really likes to drink water, right, Froggy?
Yep. He has been with us since our son was a teeny tiny little boy, and it's just a fun cruise tradition to take our frog to dinner. And what's the last thing we have in your personal item bag? What are these?
So those are my Ray-Ban sunglasses.
Those are.
$73.
They were expensive, but you take good care of them. And what are these?
Those are my new Speedo Hydrospecs goggles.
Wow, you knew the name and everything. And what do you use these for?
Mostly swimming in pools, hot tubs, some when I go to swimming class.
Or at the beach?
Or at the beach.
That's what he uses to snorkel. Well, you did a really good job. So we're all done with your personal item, your backpack that you're going to take on the plane. So I'm going to put this away. Is that okay?
Yeah. So
okay.
I think next up are my shoes. I wear these little Nike sneakers. I have definitely worn them out. There's like tons and tons of thistles and cat's tails in there, so...
They are a little worn out, but you know how
crazy.
This young man likes his comfy shoes. He doesn't want to buy any fancy shoes for dinner. It's like, no, Mom, I'm wearing my tennies. And then this is his second pair of shoes. Tell me about these.
These are my NB flip-flops. I think that actually stands for Nike something, but I'm
New
not
Balance.
sure. Oh,
New Balance, yeah.
Okay, not Nike.
Not Nike. That's okay.
So this says, wait, I need to read this. It says New Balance.
Yeah. So what are these for?
Those are for just when I'm regularly walking around and just kind of most of the time.
Most of the time.
These are like on the beach and stuff, kind of.
And like to dinners and stuff too, right?
Yeah.
Even formal night, he wears his sneakers, guys. He even does. It's okay with kids to let them wear sneakers. Now, before I let Junior Editor go any farther, don't want to let you forget that we did bring him a hat. So here's his little hat. Any old baseball cap will do. This one's nice and worn in. Also, as I mentioned in a few of our other videos, you may remember that we were saying that there was extra room in his carry-on bag. That is because his stuff is tiny. So some of the things that are going to go in his bag are going to be my husband's tripod, a pop-up hamper, and this is our Stateroom Necessities Kit. Inside our Stateroom Necessities Kit, if you're new to our channel and you haven't watched our videos before or seen this has a non-surge power cord. It also, scoot this way just a little tiny bit, sweetheart, just a tiny bit. Perfect, thank you.
The other way so people can see this.
Oh, that's a good idea. You're getting ready for the next segment.
This is where all my clothes are in my packing cube.
Good.
So we'll show you that in the next segment.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get back to what I was saying. Give me 1 second, okay? Don't you love this? Anyway, my husband's USB charger. I have a few magnets in here for the walls as well, in case we have limited storage. And that's pretty much it, other than my travel alarm clock and a few wet swimsuit bags. So again, watch the first 2 videos in this series, and let's get back to Junior Editor and talk about what's in your other bags.
And
yeah.
I saw a fairy picture in your bag.
A fairy picture?
Yeah, why was there a
It's a surprise.
picture?
I'll show you later.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so do you want to go over this bag first?
Yeah, I'll go over this bag.
This one here?
I believe this is most of my clothes. So here are these are my beach shorts.
Yeah, this is one of the pairs of your shorts. This is all your shorts and your t-shirts. So we have a lot of shorts that look a little bit like this, very casual. He has this new cool tank hoodie that he got at the tank. A tanky? He calls it a tanky. It's a tank with a hood on it. Pull up the hood and show him. Yeah.
Let me grab the other side.
Okay, you want to show him? Okay. Sounds good. So this is his tank hoodie from Old Navy. He has 2 of these.
One of them.
Yeah. And so we don't have to show them everything in the bag. We'll just show little sneak peeks. But he has a lot of stuff like this to go with shorts.
Okay.
For him, I think we packed about 5 or 6 pairs of shorts with matching t-shirts. So one tip for when you're packing for kids is, same with packing with adults, try to lay the outfits out to match first. So instead of, for me, taking stacks of shorts and stacks of t-shirts that are just his favorites, it doesn't work because he has so many wild prints, like his Pink Floyd shirt.
Everybody loves that.
Everybody loves this shirt, that I really have to find things that match. So a couple of nice basic gray t-shirts are always good too. So we're not gonna go into any more.
We're gonna continue.
Oh, you wanna show them this shirt? Oh yeah.
It's the Beatles.
The Beatles. This is his Beatles shirt. He loves this one.
It's really stretchy too. You can stretch it like really far.
Yeah. Isn't it soft too? I want this as my pajamas. I would love it if I had a shirt like this for my pajamas. So he does have some favorites there. And so this is kind of what I would call his casual wear shorts and t-shirts packing cube. And this is another reason we love cubes, is because it allows you to separate and organize and really just get things ready. Now this is Junior Editor's
Comfy clothes.
Comfy clothes. This is his pre-cruise bag. This is the bag we're taking to the hotel the night before. So if you've been watching the other 2 videos, you know that what we're doing is we're taking a convenience bag that we can take into the hotel with us the night before our cruise that is going to have dirty clothes put back into it, or if you're driving to port, you can put it back in your car with the packing cube. So he has his Star Wars jammies in here. Those are nice.
I'm a Star Wars fan.
He is a Star Wars fan. So we have a sleep outfit, basically. This is like a jammy set.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Jammies though. This is just going to be my regular.
Yeah, exactly. And then
that's one of my jackets. I haven't even worn that yet.
You haven't worn this much. So he has basically this is a 3-piece jogging suit with pants, a little t-shirt.
Oh, yeah, that is a 3-piece jogging
Yeah, it is. And then like a little jacket. So this is for the airplane. This is what he is going to wear.
Beat up socks.
Yeah, your socks are beat up, and I'm sorry. You like your clothes comfortable though. Every time Mommy tries to buy you something new.
There's even more thistles in this.
I know. Oh, whoops, I forgot to put your jammies back in. So that's his pre-cruise bag. And we have really tried to get better about making sure that every member of the family has one of these, so you're not opening your suitcases when you get to your hotel and digging through your cruise clothes for your day of clothes. So separation is a good thing with those. All right, now we're on to the swimsuits and the underpants and the ties for Junior Editor. So he has his little underwear. We didn't forget Junior Editor's underpants. He has underwear. He has 3 choices of ties. He's probably gonna wanna match his dad. So we have a bow tie and a few other ties. Are you holding up your underpants, son?
Underwear.
Underwear. Underwear exists. So these are the little bow ties that he's going to be taking, and regular ties. They're not the clip-on kind, they're the type that go around the shirt. Show you his shirts later. And then this is where I'm keeping all of his socks. So socks, underpants, and then he has his rash guards. This is just one of 2 to keep him protected when he is in the sun, and several little swim trunks. So you guys can imagine what the swim trunks and the rash guards and the underwear all look like. But I thought you might like to see his little ties. Are you putting on your tie, son?
Backwards.
Backwards? Can I have it back to pack back in here, or are you gonna wear it for the rest of the video?
Actually, I think I'm gonna wear it for the
Okay, you are looking dapper now.
backwards tie.
So funny. Okay, so this is our last packing cube for you. Can you guess what's in here that we haven't talked about yet?
No, swimsuits. It's my formal night stuff.
Formal night stuff. Okay, so this is all his dinner wear. Not necessarily formal night stuff, but we have.
And also for the white party.
And for the white party. Yep, he has.
The snow party.
And the snow party.
They're the same thing.
No, I don't think they are. I think they're different. Well, we'll see. So anyway,
Both called white party.
These are Junior Editor's formal pants. These are a nice kind of, probably like a polyester with an adjustable waistband that he's been wearing for a little while now. He'll wear these on the 2 formal nights with his dressier shirts. He also has he's got his own agenda. He also has jeans that he'll wear most nights to dinner. And then he has a pair of comfy fleece pants that he can kind of wear as jammies. As you notice, I didn't really pack him formal pajamas or specific pajamas because he tends to run around in like a pair of underwear and a t-shirt, or these and a t-shirt. Can I show him your shirt?
I'm actually wearing something a lot like that right now.
You are?
My microphone's down in there.
Your microphone's down in your shorts? Yeah.
Well, they're not shorts. They're like this, but green.
Oh, your fleece? Okay, let's go ahead and show everybody your shirts, okay?
Okay.
All right, guys. This is Junior Editor's one of his short sleeve shirts that I got at Ross. It's really cute, and he's gonna wear this with jeans. Then for formal night, he has his Stormtrooper shirt that I'll iron and he'll wear with one of the ties that we featured earlier. It looks good with that
and the one
teal
right here.
tie.
Maybe the one right here.
Yeah, and then this is his.
You mean this one?
This is to match your dad, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is for formal night, and this he can also wear to the white party with one of his ties. All of his stuff still needs to be ironed. I don't iron his stuff before we go, you guys. It's just too much. We'll see if we can get it ironed on the ship. And then a few more dinner shirts. This is one of his casual polos from Old Navy. I love the ombre of this shirt, and I think he'll look so handsome wearing this with.
That one.
Yeah, and that one matches Daddy's that that we showed. And then this last shirt here is just a basic polo that we got on a $3 sale at Old Navy last weekend. We were so excited. So yeah, Mr. Junior Editor, this rounds out your stuff. What do you think?
Going with the backwards theme.
You're gonna keep going with the backwards theme. You're looking good. So tell our viewers before we wrap up, what are you most excited about for the MSC Seaside?
Well, I think I saw like a cool cruise, like a cool kids area that was like really cool, and so I'm really excited for that.
Okay.
Also the slides and stuff, so yeah.
Yeah, 4 water slides
4 water slides.
and the Forest Aquaventure Park.
Yeah.
And you forgot the arcade.
Oh yeah, I'm really excited about that.
Isn't that gonna be fun?
Remember on the Norwegian Bliss how
Yeah.
we spent 1 o'clock.
Well, you did a great job. Thank you for helping Mommy. Now we're going to show everybody how this all gets packed into the suitcase. Thank you all so much for tuning into our packing series. We'll see you on the MSC side. Until next time, see you on the high seas.
Hey, click me to subscribe.